If you ain't subscribed, you need to. Period. On the, oh, the curve.
That's what she said.
What kind of shit is that?
See what I did there?
I'm trying.
They look like those little Vienna sausages.
Sausages. Want one?
Not me, girl. I don't even, on the brush, and it is, got me all twisted up in the game. Hold on. Little afro. Still gotta pick it out.
Kicking all our sisters.
Do y'all say Vienna or Vienna? Yes. 4.
Hold up.
That wasn't 4. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay guys, no surprise, yet another haul. And we're still slowly transitioning my space to be more spring friendly, if you will. And I found some really good stuff. Don't want to ramble too much, so let's just hop in. Now we all know my relationship with plants. Non-existent. One day I would truly become a green thumb baddie. I just made that up. But until that day happens, we're buying faux. Now this plant that I saw in HomeGoods, you can't tell me it don't look like I cut it from outside and brought it in here. I saw it, did a double take, and said,
Cash me out.
yes. I know. I don't know how I got so lucky. Y'all, this looks so realistic. I mean, I see a lot of faux plants and sometimes they can have like a weird like turquoise teal tint to them. But this is like a true green and it's not all the same green. So it looks really realistic. You have some really, really light spots, some really dark spots. And I still have to fluff her up, okay? Little afro. Still gotta pick it out.
Kicking all our sisters.
But she looks so good. I'm gonna do a close-up on the side because she just deserves that moment. Like, so good. And then the trunk also looks very imperfect, like a real tree. There are spots that look a little roughed up. There's different color variation. And what the heck going on? Do y'all hear that? It's too much going on around here. What was I saying? What was I saying? Plant. Oh, the wooden planter that I showed you guys last week. Perfect. This is fate if I've ever seen it, okay? They're gonna look so good together. I love that this is a little short tree because you don't always need something so grand. Sometimes you want to scale back a bit. And I'm so excited to put this here. I think I'm gonna replace the candle holder that I have on my side table in here and just give that whole wall a natural moment. I think it's gonna look so good up against the curtains. Oh, can't wait for this refresh. But like I said, this is from HomeGoods. It was only $100. That sounded ridiculous coming out of my mouth. $100 is kind of like, ooh, but for what it is, we good. The brand is Nearly Natural and the tag says it's UV resistant. In the past, I've put a couple plants outside and the sun kills the color and the pigment. So hopefully this will add up. I don't plan on putting this outside, but it's still gonna get some rays. And we want to preserve her because I found this, I think it was a week ago, and I've been to about 2 separate HomeGoods and couldn't find this. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna be on the lookout for another one because I feel like I just need one more in the house. But y'all, even where the little branches sprout has moss. The detail is insane. So yeah, that's her. Next up is a CB2 dupe from no other than Ross. Yes, Ross Dress for Less. That's where I found this. Is this a joke? Yeah, Period. Now you guys know how I am about Ross. If I'm in the vicinity of one, I'll mosey over, but I don't necessarily go out of my way to go to those. Wait, my necklace is off. Got me all twisted up in the game. Hold on. Like I was saying, I don't normally just get in the car and make a special trip to Ross, but sometimes when I go, it's a bop. Now this side table, like I said, is a dupe for the CB2 one. The shape is a little bit different. I believe, judging from the pictures online, I've never seen it in person. The table that CB2 carries is more of a capital T, and this is more of a capital T top, lowercase t bottom. If that makes sense. What's a better way to describe? The CB2 table has a flat back, and this one, what? I don't know. The CB2 table has a flat back. Like I feel like this part is back here, so you just have all this without any interruption. But I don't mind this at all because you get so much more like dimension with this table. And the price, let's get into that. If you were to purchase the original one, it's $329. Is it $329? It's gonna run you $329. Now TJ Maxx has a different one. It's the same concept, same marble type as this one, but just a different shape. And that one is even, I believe it's like $129, $139, somewhere there. I put it on the side. But this, just guess. You'll never guess the price. $40.
$40?
Yes. That wasn't 4. 40. Like, not 400, 40. And of course I had to bring it home because I wasn't sure. Of course I don't need it. I don't need anything. But I don't want to get home and have buyer's remorse. So we just looked her in the car and now after I left that Ross, I went to a different one and they had 2 in there as well. So I feel like you may be able to find this. I shared it over on Instagram to give you guys a heads up, but I'm not holding that other one up because it's not arm day today, okay? You guys know I'm particular about marble, and the other one was way more warm. It had a lot more brown, so I was like, okay, let me bring this home and compare the two, kind of live with them, walk past them a few times to see which one I like better. To be honest with you, I think I'm going to keep the more minimal one. I know that's very left of the norm for me. I usually go for the bolder, more out there marble, but I feel like the more subtle one has deeper tones, and I don't know, I guess the other one maybe has too much brown. I feel like I can mix marbles with the more subtle one. The colors that I usually decorate with, they kind of seem like they'll go better with this one. So we're gonna live with it a bit. You guys let me know down in the comments which one you think I should choose or keep, because I'm not keeping both. That's just ridiculous. It's already ridiculous that I got another side table. So yeah.
You must choose between us. Yeah, you must choose between us.
I gotta choose. Up next.
What kind of shit is that?
Another one. Now, if you guys have been here for a while, you guys know that I have a few of these. This is my third one. And I let you know on my last purchase of this piece that it reminded me of...
I look like a chip of shit.
I can't unsee it now, but I still love the piece so much. I have a tall, slender one. The second one I bought is a little more short and stout, if you will. And then this is the baby of the family and completes the trio. It's Bot Mariah. You guys know how I feel about that line. And to top it off, it was on sale. This was originally $40, but we love that red tag, honey. $22. Marked down to $22. What was I supposed to do? Like, so yes, it does look like a tall pile of poop. But we all know that poop is used as fertilizer and helps to facilitate the environment for growth of something beautiful. See what I did there?
I'm trying.
Poop, flowers. Get it? No? Okay. This just does it for me. I don't know about y'all. I love how odd shaped this is as well. It's kind of lopsided, but you guys know I love that because it makes it, to me, feel more handmade. And then you have that smoky, kind of ombre-ish, terracotta-ish, ashy-ish color variation going on. So it was a no-brainer. I love it. So it's evident that I love a funky piece. Pun intended. That wasn't even planned or written. I'm just a lyrical genius at this point. And this next piece, Exhibit B. How stinking cute. Like, what? She's giving trophy.
You love me. You really love me.
But in a vase. Now this was $34.99 at HomeGoods. And I just fell in love when I first saw it. Now they did have some different pieces, same finish but different shape. They look like pictures, but those were really giving more coastal. This I feel like will fit in with all the rest of my decor, especially if I pair it with like a bold marble to kind of sleek it up a bit, mix materials and media. Or I have those ashtrays that I got from Zara Home, and they have kind of a, like a, I don't even, on the brush, and it is, I don't know the word I'm looking for, but they're cute, okay? The color variation, how dark, how linear it is, I feel like will be so nice next to this. And y'all, this is just too cute. I love, like I said, the texture on this. Little ASMR. I love the different colors in it. It's kind of cool but kind of warm at the same time. And these little handles, to die, okay? And you guys know pieces like this, I love to either leave alone or put a little stem in it. Like, either way is giving. $35 at HomeGoods. Run. Okay, another thing that you guys know I can't pass up on, a good box. There's just something about them. I don't know. It's an addiction at this point because I have so many. I really didn't need this. They're functional and aesthetic, which are very important to me. And this was like the combo. Travertine and wood is like, amazing. I love it in every space I see it. I just love how warm the wood is. And then you have travertine, which is like, to me, it's the most neutral of the stones. I feel like every stone can be paired with it and look good because it's so minimal, but like, I mean, it's a nude. We love a good nude. And I just thought this was so cute. Like I said, it's functional. It's a deep box. And I got this on sale actually for $15, but I have a link for you guys. I know HomeGoods shut down their site. Yeah, we hate that. Get over it. However, Sierra, one of their sister stores, has the website open, and I found the link last night and I will link it down below. It's $20 on their site. Like I said, I got mine for $15, but you win some, you lose some.
But you live to fight another day.
So yeah, love how rustic the bottom is, and that travertine top just adds a layer of sleek. I think that's the word I'm looking for. It came with these little, it came with these little felt pads down the bottom, which is nice, but I might end up taking those off because you can kind of see it depending on the angle you're looking at it. So yeah, that's that. And last but not least, I had to hit up the candle section. I've been looking for my Santal candle by Treo, and it's very, very scarce. But I was able to re-up on the, the curve.
That's what she said.
Ooh, we gotta get off this. I'm tired, I'm talking crazy. Yeah, I was able to re-up on these candles. I think they're so classic and just they're so tall. Zara Home has some, but I think theirs are only 14 inches. These are 17.5. I use them in my kitchen and dining room makeover, and they just, something about a tall taper candle just elevates and just gives. So like I said, I got this, and next to them were these. Girl, this taupey brown, I just, ooh, so good. I love it, love it, love it. And I've been loving darker candles lately. I think Crate & Barrel has a similar shade to this with the collab they did with Athena Calderon. And these were only, oh, I didn't even tell y'all the price. These were only $7 at HomeGoods for the pair, which I didn't think wasn't a bad price. And you don't have to burn them if you don't want to, but I got every pair that they had in the store because sometimes I'm gonna want to burn them because I just wanted like a couple of burner pairs and then maybe a pair or two that I just leave for decoration. So yeah, we had these, and then I looked again and said,
hold up.
They had the minis. Y'all, these are just too cute. Like, they look like those little Vienna sausages.
Sausages. Want one?
No.
Do y'all say Vienna or Vienna? I don't know. Those back in my childhood days. I don't eat them things no more. But it was only $4 for the set. I got 2 pairs, I think. And I'm going to go to some different ones and see if I can find some more. But I know you're probably thinking, why did you get that? What are we doing? But y'all, if you caught my post, I don't remember when I posted it, but I posted over here on YouTube about these candle holders that I bought that I'm so excited about. They're going to be in a different video because I want to do like an Amazon haul with those, but I plan on putting those in my bookcases back here when I do my refresh. And they're so tall that I needed a short candle, and I don't want to have to like burn down a candle and waste, you know, just so I can get the height that I needed. So these were perfect. I haven't tried them in the candle holders yet, but those, they're gonna be good. But anyway, love these. They had different colors too. They had like a they weren't really fuchsia. They're like a muted down fuchsia color, but I didn't really think I needed that. And they had like a sagey green, and I saw a blue as well. Dang, why didn't I get the blue ones? The blue ones could be a vibe. But y'all know I go to HomeGoods all the time, so I'll probably pick them up next time. So that's that. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. This haul was so exciting. Like I told you guys, I'm not a spring girl. Early spring I can do, but when it start getting like 80 degrees, 90 degrees, not me, girl. I can't do it. However, these pieces are further exciting me with the whole spring season and kind of freshening up my space. So we're gonna get into that really soon. I just gotta get these hauls out of the way because y'all got some good stuff. Like, if you ain't subscribed, you need to. Like, period. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then,